If you have potted plants, I'm sure you've experienced soil draining out the bottom of the pot, and if they're outdoor, it's not a huge problem, but when they're indoor, it just makes a huge mess. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing my quick and cost-effective tip to stop soil from draining out the bottom of your pot. I'm Audrey from Audrey's Little Farm, and around here it's all about finding joy in the simple things. There are a few problems you can face when it comes to potted plants. The first is that the drainage hole is too small that it ends up getting blocked and the water doesn't even drain out to begin with. The second problem is that there might not be a drain hole to begin with. And if that's the case, you can easily drill your own. Just check this link above and I show you how to easily do it yourself. And then the third problem is that the drain hole is so big that the soil comes out with the water and it makes a mess. There are pots, of course, that have this little tray that catches the water and the soil, which makes it super nice for indoor plants, but not all pots have that. But if you happen to have a pot like this one with just a drain hole and no tray, the solution I found that works great for keeping the soil in but letting the water drain out is just adding a small piece of coconut core liner in the bottom of the pot. I ended up just ordering a huge roll on Amazon because I needed it for a few other things, but you can buy individual liners and you can usually even find it at a local store in the garden center. All you have to do is just tear off a small piece, place it over the drainage hole in the pot, then fill your pot with soil and plant your plant and you're good to go. The water will drain out, but the soil will stay in. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next video.